To back up data on Prestashop, start by searching for Prestashop in your web browser. From the search results, click on the Prestashop link, which is likely to be listed under sponsored content with the tagline, "Create an online shop easily." Click on the Get Started option, which will direct you to a page where you can download Prestashop. You will have the option to choose from Discover Classic, Discover Hosted, or contact them for a custom Prestashop. Once you have downloaded the Classic option, you will need to use a file manager to extract the zip file. With the file extracted, you can use a tool like PHP-admin to manage your Prestashop. If you have already created content in your shop, you can back up your data by compressing the file in your file manager, then refreshing your PHP-admin page to access the zip file containing your data. To get the most out of this process, you can utilize a file manager and PHP-admin to simplify the task.